Have you ever looked at a business and thought it was doing fine, only to later realize the cash was gone? Today, we are going to break down the accounting equation so you are never surprised by that situation again. Imagine tracking a business and every transaction magically balances. It's not magic, it's the accounting equation. Today you will see why it always balances and how it can help you spot errors instantly. Understanding this formula isn't just theory, it's your safety net. Once you see it clearly, you will never look at business numbers the same way. You will start spotting mistakes and making confident decisions. The accounting questions shows the backbone of every business. Everything a business owns comes from either borrowing or owner investment. Assets are your resources, liabilities are obligations, and equity is the owner's claim. Think of it as a story of origin. Every dollar has a source. Once you understand this, every transaction starts to make sense. This is the foundation of double entry accounting, simple but powerful. Every action in business affects at least two accounts. Buy equipment with cash. Equipment goes up, cash goes down. Assets changed, but total assets stay the same. This accounting entry in action. If your equation doesn't balance, it's not the formula that's wrong. It means there's an error somewhere. Understanding this is the key to catching mistakes before they snowball. You start your freelance or small business with $10,000 cash. That's an asset. Where did it come from? You, the owner. Equity increases by the same amount. Notice the balance. Assets went up, equity went up. The equation is still true. The simple principle explains every business foundation. Say you take a loan for $5,000, cash increases by 5,000 in asset, but now you owe the 5,000 at liability. See the pattern. Assets went up, but so did obligations. The equation remains balanced. Every transaction has two sides, and every side tells a story about the business. Many SMPs track revenue only and ignore obligations or withdrawals. That's why errors happen. Even small mistakes break the equation's clarity. Keep personal and business funds separate. Record all liabilities and note withdrawals. Consistency protects you and your business decisions. Try this exercise. Buy office supplies for cash. Write down the transaction. What happens to assets and equity? Pause, think, and comment. The laptop example works here too. Cash decreases, supplies increase, total assets remain the same, balanced. By practicing this, you start thinking like an accountant. Here's the professional method simplified. Identify what happened, which accounts changed, and apply debit credit rules. Check the equation after every transaction. Correct errors quickly if you spot imbalance. This habit balance builds confidence. You are not just learning accounting, you are learning to read your business with clarity and prevent mistakes before you grow. Before they grow. The accounting equation is simple but is the backbone of financial awareness. It catches mistakes fast, guides your decisions, and keeps your business grounded. Remember, balanced books is peace of mind. Master this, and everything else in accounting becomes easier. If you want more tutors like this, subscribe and comment on this topic you want next. Thank you very much.